How to create a credit note in QuickBooks. Many a times, you might have billed your customer in excess or forgotten to apply a discount. Sometimes it also happens that the customer has returned your product. In such cases, you have to issue a credit note to your customer. Your customer can use this credit note for future purchases. With QuickBooks, creating a credit note is simple and easy. In this video, you will learn how to create a credit note, how to apply a credit note to an invoice in QuickBooks. Sign in to your QuickBooks account. Click the plus icon at the top right. Click Credit Note under Customers. The credit note screen opens. Choose a customer whom the credit note is for from the drop-down list. Fill out all required fields like the email address, billing address. If blank, select the place of supply from the drop-down list. Depending on whether the amount is exclusive of tax, inclusive of tax, or out of scope of tax, choose the appropriate option from the Amounts Are drop-down list. Enter the service date, product or service for which the credit note is being created. Also enter quantity if applicable. Enter the credit note amount and discount if any. You can even enter a message that would be displayed on the credit note. You can also add a memo if needed and attachments of up to 20 MB. Select Save and Close. This is how easy it is to create a credit note. Now that we created a credit note, let us see how we can apply it to an invoice. To apply a credit note to a specific invoice, you must first turn off Automatically Apply Credits under Advanced in your Company Settings page. If Automatically Apply Credits is turned on when you create a credit note for a particular customer, it will be applied automatically to the first invoice in the list of outstanding invoices. Click the gear icon on the top right of the screen and select Company Settings under Settings. Select Advanced on the left navigation bar of the Settings page. Click the pencil icon on the far right of the Automation section. Uncheck Automatically Apply Credits to turn it off. Click Save and click Done. Let us now apply the credit note that we created to an open invoice. Click the plus icon on the top right. Select Receive Payment under Customers. From the drop-down list, select the customer the credit note is for. Note that the customer's outstanding transactions and credits get listed. Change the payment date if required. If the payment exceeds the credit note amount, fill in the payment method, reference number, deposit to, amount received fields. Select the invoice for which you wish to apply the credit note. Select the credit note to be applied to the invoice. You may also enter a memo if necessary. Select Save and Close to apply the credit note to the invoice. Sign in to QuickBooks for hassle-free accounting.